The Detailer 70 kit. Now this is the biggest kit. It contains all accessories in the biggest volume and all 70 colors. Now I will give you a close-up on the range of colors: silver grays, the darker grays, the reds, metallics and single stage, blues, metallics, single stage, greens, same, two whites, the pearlescent, and then the range of the other colors as well. The browns, some silver grays with a light touch of green or blue in it, yellow orange, we need all colors, gold, purple, with all accessories. Now the biggest difference is that you get a higher volume of accessories, so 2 liters of our own degreaser, the gloves of course, blending solution 2, 50 felt discs and 50 degreaser cloths. So this is the full system which can be delivered to you in this special case with the inlay or in the trolley if you want to work mobile with it as well.